What you are about to see looks impossible because it breaks the rule your brain expects. When something spreads out and becomes messy, it should not suddenly rebuild itself. This is a quantum wave function trapped inside an ideal box. The walls are not ordinary walls, they are perfect energy barriers. Inside the box, the particle is allowed to exist. Outside the box, the energy required would be impossible. At the start, the particle looks simple. It appears as one clean little wave packet moving to the right. You can think of it like a tiny glowing pulse on an old laboratory screen. For a short time, your everyday intuition works. The packet travels across the box, reaches the right wall, and reflects back. So far, it almost feels like a tiny ball bouncing between two barriers. But then the first surprise arrives. The packet does not stay neat. It begins to spread. The clean bump stretches out. It breaks into pieces. One peak becomes two, then several peaks appear. The original shape seems to smear across the whole box. This is the moment where your brain says the information must be gone. It looks like the particle has dissolved into noise. That conclusion is wrong. The chaos is only what it looks like from the outside. Think of a crowd clapping together. At first, everyone claps at the same time, so you hear one strong beat. Then people drift out of sync. Some clap early, some clap late. The sound becomes messy. But if everyone keeps clapping at a steady rate, the rhythm can return. That is what is happening inside the quantum box. The packet is made from many smaller standing wave patterns. Each one has its own timing. At first, those timings line up and form one clean packet. Then they drift apart, so the packet spreads and fragments. But the timing has not been erased. The order is still there. It is just hidden. Then the biggest surprise happens. The messy pattern suddenly reorganizes. The scattered pieces line up again, and one clean packet reappears. But it is not back where it started. It forms on the opposite side of the box, moving the opposite way. This is called a mirror revival. It feels impossible because the wave seems scrambled, but it rebuilt itself. After that, the packet falls apart again. It spreads, fragments, and becomes complicated once more. But this is still not true randomness. The wave is still following exact rules. The hidden rhythms are still being tracked. What looks like a broken signal is really a very precise pattern that our eyes cannot easily read. The system has not forgotten its beginning. At the end of the full cycle, the hidden timings line up almost exactly as they did at the start. The original packet returns. Same shape, same position, same motion. That is the real mystery. The wave did not go from order to true chaos. It went from visible order to hidden order and back to visible order again. The universe did not forget. We just lost the rhythm for a while.